Hi everybody. So before I start this video, or before I get to the topic of this video, I just want to say I just got 2 subscribers today, and maybe 1, but I know I got 1 subscriber today. If it's you, BuzzFeed, comment down below that's you that subscribe to me. And I think my aunt is also subscribed to me, but I'm not going to say her name. But she posts comments that seem like she would post, so yeah. But and my brother is also subscribed to me, Jimmy Smith. Check out his channel. Don't subscribe to him though, since he doesn't make any more videos. Last one was like in January, I think, 2017. But there's still 1 subscriber. My second one I got. I don't know who that is. So, if you're watching this video and you're that person, comment down below who you are. Okay, so the topic of this video. This tube. When I swing it, it makes a really cool sound. So I'm going to show you that. I hope you can hear it. Sometimes it's pretty quiet, but I'll do it. Turn up the volume if you can't hear it. Okay, well I hope you could hear that. Basically all. Oh yeah. And I want to tell you that I won a raffle, but there were only like 8 people in the bucket, so there are 8 raffle tickets in the bucket. This is the first raffle I've ever won. I wanted this book, but it had my name on it right there, called From Garbage to Compost. And it's in the Start to Finish series by Lisa Owings. I just read it last night. The only reason there was better books. It was at this place where you could do stuff. It was like at this garden trail place. And there were better books, but this one was the least voted for, or the least wanted, so I just put my ticket in there and I won it. So yeah, it is pretty short though. And finally, okay, well, be sure to subscribe, and remember, whoever you are, if you're subscribed to the channel and you're watching this video, comment down below who you are, no matter who you are. Okay, so, yeah, see you all next time, probably tomorrow. Goodbye!